and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make fresas con crema, or strawberries with cream. So in case you guys want to learn how to make this easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so this recipe is super easy. You're going to need, of course, your fresh strawberries and some crema mexicana sour cream. You're also going to need 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, and granola. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. So after you wash your strawberries, we're going to start to cut them. Cut them like that. It depends on how big you want your strawberries. That's going to be optional. Me, I like my strawberries half, just like that. So we're going to cut all of our strawberries. Alright guys, so after we have our strawberries, we're going to start making our cream. We're going to pour in the condensed milk in a bowl. Just get all that. Your evaporated milk. And 1 cup of our sour cream. And now we're going to mix it. Hey guys, I was so excited, that I was gonna make my fresas con crema, that I forgot to mention that we also need our Mexican vanilla blend. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of our vanilla. And now we're going to mix it all together. Alright guys, so after you mix it all together, you can try it and see if it's sweet enough for you. If not, you can always add more vanilla. But after that, we're just basically going to add our strawberries and give it a stir, and that's basically our fresas con crema. Mix it around. And it's ready to be served with some granola. Alright guys, so I'm just going to serve in my little glass bowls. I think this is a perfect serving, for my kids and for myself as well. And I'm just gonna top it off with some granola. And that just depends on how much you love granola. So that's basically it. Okay, so you do want to refrigerate it for at least 1 hour, so like that it can be cold and refreshing. But even if you don't, it's seriously super delicious like that. Perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, super easy and delicious fresas con crema. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and as always, if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. In the comment down below, let me know if you give it a try, and also if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. If you guys are still here, well, make sure you click right here so you guys can watch my previous video, and if you haven't already, make sure you click on my face so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you on my next video.